Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty. Today we are going to talk about recent update on OEX app and what we have to do to secure accounts. There is something I have discovered in this OEX app that I don't know if someone else is discovering it, and that is why I want to bring it to your attention. Whether it's a fault in OEX app or a fault in their collaboration they have with Com, or there is something fishy, they are playing a game. I think I've experienced that, and two of my downliners have also experienced the same thing. So I'm going to use another downliner account to verify through the last mission that was brought, that is the swapping of Com. Let us see what exactly the problem is, and then we may have to reach out to OEX support to explain what exactly the problem is. So to the first one, now if you notice recently, if you go to Play Store and you update your app, you're going to see now naturally here will be showing as core mainnet, no longer as long test OES long test net. So this is the latest update. Once you update it, click hub. Once you click hub, you have this interface before you, then click OEX. Now you can see once you have this point, this yellow, it shows that your account has not been verified. It means that you might not receive your token at distribution. That means you have not successfully been able to link your withdrawal address with your Satoshi app and your OEX. You have not been able to link them. That's what it means. So if you have been able to successfully link your address, this is what you are going to see. Everything is going to be green. So that's how you are going to know if your wallet address that you linked with your Satoshi app, if it has been successful. Once everything is not this green, it means it has not been successfully linked. So we are going to pay attention to that and work on it to ensure that you have linked your address. So this is how you know now if your wallet address has been successfully linked with your Satoshi app. Now to the second point, you know that later on the Satoshi, okay, I'm going to change this back to the long testnet. You remember that the OEX brought out another mission to help those who have been finding it difficult to link to do their wallet, their Twitter account, to link their Twitter account. So many people have been having this challenge. So in place of that, this mission C was brought up, and all you have to do here is to swap some core for com, and then you'll be able to verify. Now I did that, and I remember I uploaded that video and many of us saw that video, and then to my greatest surprise, after some days, about my 2.6 billion com that I was able to get, that was already reading about $48, was wiped out of my wallet, was taken out, and I was surprised. I can remember vividly, I have never connected the wallet to any external site or anything that would show that my wallet was compromised. So I became suspicious that something was going on, and when I traced the wallet address that withdrew that com from my wallet, from my OEX app, I realized that it has not. I checked all the transactions through the core scan, and I realized that that wallet has been doing it to many accounts, and then it transferred. There's a transaction going on between core LPs. When it moves it from your wallet, it moves to core LP. I've been trying to reach the OEX support. I have not been able to do that. I want to know, is it a partnership? Are they removing this thing from our wallet to be sent back, or what? I don't really understand what the problem is. So now I wanted to be sure. I did it with two of my downliners, and I experienced the same thing. The experience, well, I've done for about three different downliners, or three or four. Two of them experienced the same thing. There's an hidden contract in their wallet whereby funds can be moved out of their wallet without their consent, without their knowledge. So I think the mistake I made then was I didn't really make a record when I was doing it for them. So I want to try it with another downliner. I'm going to transfer some core to this person's account, swap it for some com, and then see whether this same issue persists. You might not be able to trace it directly from your core, from your OEX app. So to trace it, you are going to copy either your secret phrase or your private key, import this your OEX address into MetaMask, and then there is a site you will go to, you connect your MetaMask address, you will be able to see the ED contract that can make it possible for someone to remove your tokens. I'm bringing this to your attention because if I had not discovered this, maybe when eventually OEX start paying, the person may just remove all your OEX account coin from your account without you knowing. So if you know you have done that C mission, I want you to pay attention to this video and do exactly what I do in this video to check if your wallet is vulnerable or not. So as you can see, 0.25 core has been transferred to this address. So we'll go straight to this hub and do the swapping, and then you're going to see the mission has been completed. Now I have about 31.7 million com which I want to transfer out. So if I click send and I put my wallet address and I click maximum, then I click send, I've been able to send this out. I've been able to send everything I have out. Now, I want to confirm whether there's any hidden contract in this OEX, this com address, the swap I've just done. So all I will have to do now is to go to setting. I'll touch my backup, and then I'll touch here. It will ask me to enter my code. Once I enter my code, either my secret phrase or my private key will come out. I'll copy it, and then I will use it to import this wallet into MetaMask. So this is a new MetaMask. So I can get started. Now I'm importing use the secret recovery phrase, and then before then I'm to read everything here. Okay, just scroll down, make sure you scroll down that you have read it, then click this box and then click accept. So you have to paste your secret recovery phrase here. Once you paste your recovery phrase and you have input your password and confirm it, then click import. So here we are. So the next thing you are going to do is to add the core mainnet. So touch here, then touch add network, and then touch custom network, and then you'll get the information in our Telegram channel. So these are all the details you need. I always like to name my own core mainnet. So the arrow PC URL will be provided. The chain ID is 1116. The symbol is core, and then the URL for Block Explorer. Then click add. Now it has been added. So click confirm and then switch to network. Once you switch to network, got it. See this address. So all you can do, you can click import token, and then we'll put the com contract address, and you are going to see. But now that one is inconsequential. So there is something I want us to pay attention to now. All we have to do now is to click the browser icon, and then allow it to load. So once it loads here, paste, you'll get this link. in the description of this video and our Telegram channel. So paste this link and click enter. Then allow it to load. Once it loads, you have this interface before you. Now come here, click this, then click connect wallet, choose MetaMask, and then choose connect. So it has been connected. Now just touch this icon, close it. So allow it, wait for it to load. So it takes time to load depending on how good your network is. Now this is it. All hidden contract you can see now in my wallet address I just created newly after participating in that mission C in the OEX app. So I've imported it to MetaMask. You can see there's an hidden contract, one hidden contract in my wallet. Look at it with the COM. So the token with which that contract was signed in your wallet, you are going to see. You see, this is the COM. That's why I say immediately I swapped it. I moved it out to another wallet, my MetaMask wallet. So you can see now this is everything I have. Now, why that thing was not wiped out of my wallet immediately was because I have less than the approved amount. I don't know if you understand me. If I've had exactly up to this amount or more than, it would have been taken out. Now, where is the approved spender? This same wallet address is the approved spender. And you see, this is the person. So all I will have to do now is I want to revoke this contract that is hidden in my wallet. Now we are going to take a look at this address. So let me just copy it down. I've copied it down. Now let us go to revoke. So just click revoke. Then click next. So you see, if I touch what I want the person to spend, so I don't want the person to spend anything at all. So I put simply 0 there. And now I'll click next again. I'll click next and then approve. So you must have a little amount of core in your wallet in order to pay the transaction fee. See now, the hidden contract has been revoked. So no more hidden contract. So if you come here, you check now, nothing to show again. So come, token, no approval. Okay, no more approval, nothing again. So I have revoked the contract. You can see this is another of my downliner having about 18.1 million token. Okay, you can see this person also, you see an approved amount 80 million coin, value unknown, this same wallet address. You can see it. So I'm going to copy the wallet address, but before then we'll quickly revoke whatever is here so that person cannot remove it. So this one too has been revoked. So I don't know exactly where this fault is coming from. So we are going to go to core scan to peruse this address. So please, before then, always ensure, okay, this site is very good. It's not only for core. Just make sure that any network you want to check, just touch this arrow, this core icon. You are going to see, you can search all the different, if it's Ethereum, BNB, all the different network. You can check your wallet address to see any hidden contract, and then you can revoke them. But for you to revoke, you must have a little amount of the native token to pay gas fee. So after you have done this, please come here first, these 3 lines, click here, then click disconnect. That is it, but that is not all. Don't stop there. Then come again, touch this icon here. Then you are going to see this, touch this, but these permissions, touch it, and then you can see it has not been disconnected. So just disconnect all accounts. That's what I do. So touch disconnect all accounts. So I have disconnected all accounts. So if you check here now, you see it's asking you to connect. Nothing is connected. So please always make sure you disconnect. So now this wallet address that is always doing this, I don't know. So let us go to call scan to view this wallet address. So this is the wallet address OXC885 and so on to, you can see it's actually a contract. It says a source code is an hidden contract. I don't understand now. If you check, there's a zero core balance. Anything that comes here, it transfers it out. So if you check here and touch this small arrow, see there are 20 tokens inside this. So you're going to see Pepe a lot. Okay, let us look at OG. Let us come and check this. You can even see POM, the new meme coin by Core. You can see 261 billion 505 million 931,591. This is even trillion, not even billion. So you see all the he has got now, you see that it transfers them out. So if you come and you check, let us check let us touch if we touch now, we are going to see you see this is what it has in the address. This is the address, right? Touch it back. Let us go and check its transactions. You are going to see the transfer he has done. Okay, different address. Can see if you go through all of them, even sometimes you see it transfers to core LPs. So this seems to be an hidden contract. I don't know why, but about 4 different of my downliners have experienced the same thing that I myself experienced. Okay, and where every disappointment is a blessing in disguise. I was very happy that this happened, because if this had not happened, I wouldn't have known that my wallet is somehow vulnerable, and then I wouldn't have known that there's an AD contract in my wallet, and then maybe by the time OEX start paying out their token, then someone will just be removing it from my wallet. So I want everybody that has done swapping of core to come through the OEX mission C, import your wallet to a MetaMask and then use that site revoke to check whether there's any hidden contract in your address, and you will always see that it is this wallet address that is the spender, that is an hidden contract that transfers something from your wallet to another. See my own wallet now. This is my wallet, my personal account wallet, from which 2.6 billion of COM token was taken away. So this is my wallet address. Now you can see these were the only 2 tokens I have. If I touch, let me check the transactions that have taken place in my wallet. So when I discovered that this thing was moved out from my wallet, let me look for it. Okay, let me come to this token, select COM. Think every transaction of COM in my wallet, I should see it here. Okay, you can see this was when I bought it. So from core LP, I got about, this is my wallet address, this one, I got about 2.8 billion of the token. And then when I couldn't swap back to when my core wasn't up to 1, so I have to swap about 200 million back to core in order for me to complete the mission. You can see, so from my wallet address, you can see it to core LP. But the one and later discovered was this transfer. You see now 5 days ago. You can check, see my wallet. This is my wallet. It was transferred to this wallet, and then you can see 2.6. Everything I had in my wallet was taken away. Now, if you check this wallet, this particular wallet address, now let us touch it. You are going to see it has about 103 million COM now presently. So this wallet address, you can see this is the particular wallet address. Now it was moved from, you can see transfer, it transfers from different address. Age 20, you can see the recent transfer done now. Age 20 hours ago, it was transferred from this wallet to this particular one, and then you can see what they have presently. So they are moving whatever someone has swapped. So we want the OEX team to come and explain to us if they are aware of this, because I don't understand. Is it an hidden contract that they take out what we have and they are hoping to return them to us? I don't understand. You can see the different transfer, and now after transferring to its account, you see it transferred them. You can see now this account again. Now it moves from the account. You can see, okay, for instance, the person moved from this account to this particular account, which is about 114 million, and then the person will move from this account again back to, no, from this account OXBAAD back to another account OX3, and you can see what that account has, about 585 million of the token. So this moving forth and forth, and there are even times you see the transaction with core LPs. Okay, you can see now, look at this person now, that same contract has moved from this particular wallet address, it has moved it to this wallet address, about, you see, 772 million. Now you can see this wallet address now has moved to core LPs. You can see them here. So I don't understand. Is it COM that is doing this? Are they preserving a token for us, or are they not aware of such contracts, hidden contracts in the people they partner with? So whoever knows how I can contact the OEX team, because I've been trying to get through their site, even Twitter, I've gone to see their support, I've not been able to get any. Please, there's anybody who can let us know so that they will explain to us how come there's hidden contract in the mission that they have given us to do, and people are being scammed of their core and com tokens. So this is all we have for you today. We have the interest of our community members at heart, so please pay attention to this and check if your wallet is vulnerable before the OEX starts paying out. Please, if you're here to subscribe to our channel, do so. Hit the bell icon to all set so that you can get notification each time we make new videos. Like and share this video. Till we come your way again next time, we remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty.